In emergency situations, every breath counts. Manual ventilation with a BVM is often inconsistent, compromising the quality of care provided during critical moments and risking patient safety. Meet the Ventway Sparrow, lightweight, portable, and ready to use in seconds. Weighing just 1 kilogram, the Ventway Sparrow is designed for quick deployment. Its user-friendly interface, featuring a single rotating controller and clear display, allows for intuitive operation even under pressure. With minimal buttons and no complex menus, EMS professionals can quickly adjust settings and initiate ventilation, ensuring your patient receives precise care within seconds, even in the most challenging conditions.
As an EMS professional, the Ventway Sparrow is my choice for reliable on-scene ventilation. Its lightweight design allows me to carry it effortlessly to any location, and its intuitive controls make it easy to use, even in high-stress situations. The consistent ventilation it provides gives me confidence that my patients are receiving the best care possible. Whether it's a routine call or critical emergency, I know I can carry the Ventway Sparrow to perform without fail.
Perfect for any scenario, the Ventway Sparrow ensures smooth, controlled ventilation when it matters most. When it comes to emergency care, trust the Ventway Sparrow to deliver consistent, reliable ventilation every time. Designed for the demands of EMS professionals, the Ventway Sparrow is the right choice for precision and performance in critical situations. Empower your emergency response. Choose Ventway Sparrow.